find him for me. He's probably at the local watering hole.
Oh, all right. Auntie Marmar's up now. I'll see you later. Auntie Marmar? What a weird name. What a big world it is.
Yeah, far out. I was getting well cramped inside that egg.
Don't go thinking this is the whole world. It stretches far beyond the other side of the lake, into the churchyard, though I've never been that far myself.
Wicked. Let's explore.
Oh. Wait! Get here. There are 1 or 2 nest holes before you paddle off. Number 1, no web feet inside the nest. Number 2, you must ready your nest every morning. Number 3, no quacking after sunset. Number 4, no plankton in between meals. And wait, you're not all here.
Hey guys, there's gonna be another member of the gang.
Oh, quack, and it's the big one.
Look at the shell on that.
Excellent. How come he got such a big egg?
Yeah, we got cramped in regular size shells, but that one got a queen size ostrich job.
It's not fair, Mama. No, Mama, it's not fair.
Hey kids, I'm your dad.
Take a good, because you probably don't see him that often. Well, to inform you, the pitter-patter of teeth habits.
Well, I'm here now. Okay, kids, who's first swim? What's the matter, Ida? It's all that sitting just taking out of you.
There's still one to hatch, don't cluck, the big one.
Let me see that egg. Yep. I do believe that's a turkey's egg, but you'll never get it to on the water. Just leave it. Boy, come on out! Now, come and teach the other ones to swim properly.
You teach the other ones to swim properly. I might as well sit for a bit longer. I just have to soak on a few more days will make a difference.
Whatever you say, dear. Okay, kids, last corner of the lake's coot. Hey, wait for me!
For keeping eggshells warm. On the wall, they have always been more uniform. This one's different. This one's different from the rest. I do believe a turtle's egg will fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just the Lord's grave of all the eggs I've ever laid. This one's different, but they're different, and they're different.
Honk!
What's wrong with your quiet? You're not like your brothers and sisters there. Oh, they're different.
Honk!
If I say butterball, does that bother you at all? No? How about water? How would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to, Mama.
Oh, thank heavens for that. I knew you were one of mine. And your father has taken the other ones off for their first swim. So how about you and me do the same right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind. Just the basics to get you started. Ooh, it's a bit nippy. We'll soon warm up. The important thing is not to be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid, Mama. Can we swim out to that island?
Good gracious, no! Why, it is further than you think. I have not been out there since your father ran our recording. And I didn't mean to go that far then. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Just do as I do, and you should take to it like a duck. You should just take to it. Hold your head up high, like the most happy fellow
be okay. It's the greatest thing. Can we have one more try?
This is not the ring. He swims better than I.
Pretty please, strengthen those leaves.
That's the one thing then.
Mama, what did you mean when you said I'm not like my brothers and sisters? What's different?
Well, for one thing, I'm sure you can swim much better than they can.
Really? And what else?
You must try to remember that it's what's inside that counts, not what we all look like.
What's marmalade?
Well, it's a sort of orange preservative often found on toast.
No, it's marmalade.
Just walk towards you very slowly with no sudden moves.
What are you quacking about?
Something behind you. Something not very nice.
This is your son, dear.
I've created a monster!
Don't be ridiculous. He's just not your normal run-of-the-mill pond duck, that's all. That's all.
I have a reputation.
I wouldn't brag about it.
I'm scared.
I tell you, he's a turkey.
He's not a turkey, he knows the water.
Cranberry sauce.
You see, he did not even flinch. Now, I'm hoping it's serious stuff. It is time to meet the other members of the junkyard and be educated in ways of the world. Drink, don't stare at him.
Look at him.
Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, Lucky, now and follow me. But stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Dad was obviously eggshell shocked.
Let the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest water fowl.
Why are you so rude?
Touchy.
Hello, Lori.
Oh, hello, Ida. Hello, Trey. Oh, what a splendid brood. The big egg hatch out. Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
I admire you for your the entrepreneur. He may be no pin-up duck. Neither dear are you.
Well, I heard the children from the farmhouse are throwing French bread into the water. Sounds fishy. I don't want to miss out.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Obvious.
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen her fishing?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off. Wah, 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 wah.
ugly one, there is no doubt. Look at him. Does he have his giblets inside out? What else would explain his looks being quite so rough? How on earth will gourmet cooks know which ends to stuff?
Look at him, look at us, see the difference. Look at him, look at us, where's the best?
Sometimes we find it is kinder if some eggs never hatch.
Now that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop.
Now, in a moment, you will be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. You will notice that she has a red ring around her finger. Why, that's the greatest distinguished a duck can enjoy. It means that she's looked up to by both men and animals.
Now don't turn your toes in. Just bow your heads politely